how to change Siri's name on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to the settings, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna search for vocal, right? So you're gonna just go ahead and click the vocal shortcut, or set up the vocal shortcut, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and set up vocal shortcut, continue, right? And you're gonna choose the Siri button. So I'm gonna scroll a little bit down to find Siri. Sorry, not Spotlight. Siri right here, and then enter a command name, whatever phrase you'd like. Let's say, for example, hey Rick, right? And then basically click go at the bottom right, and you're gonna see again with your voice to confirm that hey Rick, and then basically you're gonna just continue with the next step, and then basically you're gonna be able to test it out. Instead of calling Siri, you're gonna call Rick, like hey Rick. So that's what on the comments. So this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.